You say go, stranger.
Go.
We have a race. We have a race going on. Oh yeah? Oh, I did hit you. Okay, hold on. I'll try again. Your tank should shut off. Yeah, I saw it move. Okay, back up a bit. No, I mean you. Get out the... You're putting a lot of shadow on the tank. I want to see it move. One more... Two more time. Now, did you move it? Okay. There. It should be off now. It should shut off by itself. Yeah. I hit you 5 times and you're off. You got to turn it back on. You can try me now.
You can't turn when it starts doing that. That's your max on your turn. It doesn't do the full 360. That's like 320.
Okay, you shoot me. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4.
You just puked like 4
See, Ricky, that should be 5. Try it one more time. Okay, there it goes.
Compared to the Tamiya's.
Okay.
You gotta get armor-piercing rounds.
Yeah, we need armor-piercing rounds.
Or explosive.
You know what would be good? You put those little, those little rockets on sticks?
Yeah.
You put the stick in the barrel, light it up.
Or, a cat blaster. Just put that on the end of each BB and shoot that. Once it hits,
Oh,
you get a little bang.
I think the one with the little rocket that is on the stick is
I got a Gatling gun too.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
Right here on the edge there. So
uphill from you. I can't point down as much. Okay, we're gonna have a tank race. Go around the cone. We got to go on the right of the cone, and then turn around and come here. That is correct. Okay, let me hold my remote with one hand. Okay, ready? You say go, stranger. Go. Oh, went right over him. Winner! Come on, you can do it. Get her over here. Who's gonna win? The old Bulldog or the new one? And the old Bulldog wins. Second place. Third place, Yannick. Hey, you're shooting my tank.
That's how I roll.
He loses and he shoots my tank. That was a fun race. Okay. Ready for a second leg? You say go. Scoot up. He's a mean guy, that guy. He loses again.